Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students. Now, after explaining the complete process of mitosis, we will discuss the differences of mitosis in plant cell and in animal cell. So let's see what are the differences between mitosis in plant cell and animal cell. We will make a comparative, like here we will write the points of mitosis in animal cell. यहाँ हम एनिमल सेल की स्टेजेस के बारे में बात कर लेंगे एंड हियर वी विल राइट द पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड विद द mitosis of plant cell. So in this way it's very easy to understand the differences. So let's start the differences. What are the differences between animal cell and plant cell? First difference, that difference is not actually means it's not mitosis process related, it's related with the cell structure, but later on we will able to understand it easily. The first difference between animal cell and plant cell is the presence of centrioles. You know that in the case of plant cell, centrioles are not found. They are absent in the plant cell, whereas in animal cell, centrioles, or we can say that centrosomes are present. And these centrioles are later on responsible for the formation of esters and spindles. So let's see what is there. The first difference, it's related with the structure of the cell. We will write here the point also that it's related with the structure of cell. Is related with the cell structure. So difference is that centrioles, or we can say that centrosome is present. Centrosome present होता है animal cell के अंदर, and inside these centrosomes the centriole it has centrioles. इसके अंदर centrioles present रहेंगी. These centrioles are very important for the mitosis. But in the case of plant cell, there is no centrosome, so there is no centrioles. So we can write here that centrosome is absent. There no centrosome is found. So this is the first difference related with the cell structure. Next difference. Let's come on to the differences related with the karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. So let's start with the phases of karyokinesis. The first phase, which is prophase phase. In the prophase phase, we have studied. हमने क्या देखा था? क्या-क्या changes हो रहे थे prophase phase में? The first is that nuclear membrane start degenerating. Nuclear membrane degenerate होना start हो जाती है. Golgi apparatus it's also start disappearing, and the chromosomes condensation will start, and centrioles which get duplicated during the S phase, they start moving towards the opposite pole. That happens in the case of animal cell. So when we take a comparison between the animal cell and plant cell, we can say that nuclear membrane start degenerating. ये animal cell में भी होगा, plant cell में भी होगा. So there is no difference between this means this change. Second change, we can say that chromatin fibers start condensation. तो chromatin fibers का condensation होगा, वो भी दोनों ही तरीके की cells के अंदर होगा. Animal cell में भी chromatin fibers start condensation and they are forming chromosomes, and same happens in the case of plant cell also. But the movement of centrioles that happens in the prophase of animal cells, it do not happens in the case of plant cells. तो यहाँ पे जो centrioles से related जो movement है वो animal cell में होगी because they have centrioles, but it do not present in the case of plant cells because they do not have centrioles. So in the prophase, we can say that when centrioles start moving towards the opposite pole, they form the esters. So in the case of animal cell, we are discussing about the karyokinesis, and in the prophase हम डिफरेंसेस को स्टेजेस वाइज अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंसेस को हम स्टेजेस वाइज डिस्कस करेंगे सो दैट वी कैन इजीली डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन माइटोसिस ऑफ प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल. इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने स्टार्ट किया प्रोफेज फेज से. Prophase phase, almost all the changes are the same except related with the centrioles. So here we can say that when centrioles moves to the opposite pole, they will form the ester. So ester formation happens here, and the esters which are formed in the animal cell are the 2 in number. 2 esters are formed at the 2 opposite poles. दोनों ही pole पे ester बनेंगे, and these esters will later on formed means later on we can say that spindle fibers will also form. So here in the case of animal cells 2 esters will form. So that's why we are calling it anti-estral. याद हो तो हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था. यू कैन गो एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो अगेन. दैट इन द केस ऑफ एनिमल सेल्स, the when centrioles moves towards the opposite pole, they form esters. That's why two esters are formed there. It the plant and mitosis in the case of animal cell is called amphiesters. So we can say two esters are formed during the prophase phase of the mitosis in animal cell. But in the case of plant cell, there is no centrioles, so no esters will be formed. तो किसी भी तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं ester formation नहीं होगा. Ester not formed because centrioles ही नहीं है. जब centriole नहीं है तो ester formation कैसे हो पाएगा? So this is not happens during the in the mitosis of plant cell. Now let's discuss about the spindle fibers. In the animal cell, when esters form, they start originating the spindle fiber. So we can say that spindle apparatus is formed, and this spindle apparatus starts or looks like that it originate from the poles. पोल से originate हो रहा है, जहाँ पे centrioles present है वहां से spindle fibers originate होते हैं and they form the spindle apparatus. And but in the case of plant cells where there is no ester forms but spindles are also formed in the plant cell also. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं स्पिंडल्स की. एस्टर्स आर फॉर्म इन द केस ऑफ एनिमल सेल बट एस्टर्स आर नॉट फॉर्म इन द केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल्स. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द एस्टर्स, like if we take an example, this is a plant cell and in the plant cell when during the prophase it start forming the spindles. Spindle will form. It comes from that upper side, यहाँ से पोल से originate हो रहे हैं. But in the case of animal cell here the esters will be formed. यहाँ पे ester होंगे जिससे हम कह रहे हैं कि spindle originate होता है. But in the case of plant cells where esters are absent but spindles form, these spindles form without ester formation. यहाँ पे ester formation नहीं हो रहा but spindles will form, and these spindles form due to the polymerization of tubulin protein because the spindles are formed of tubulin protein. तो यहाँ पे भी tubulin protein जो है they get bind and they will form the spindles, but spindles form without ester formation. तो यहाँ पे ester formation नहीं होगा but spindle formation होगा. And in the case of animal cell, ester will be formed as well as after ester formation the spindle apparatus will be formed from the centrioles. It will arises from the centrioles, but here spindles form without centrioles. So this is another difference. Next, after prophase, the next phase is the metaphase. In the metaphase, the chromosomes are aligned at the equatorial plate or metaphase plate. That happens in the animal cell as well as the same thing happens in the plant cell. So there is no difference between in the metaphase stage of the plant cell and animal cell. Next, after metaphase, that next phase is anaphase. In the anaphase, now chromosomes start moving toward the opposite poles. So the spindle will contract, spindle में contraction होगा, they will start pulling the chromosomes towards the opposite pole. The same thing happens in the both plant cell and animal cell. ये difference भी same है, but there is one more difference which is present in the anaphase. So let's say what is the another difference that happens during the anaphase. Anaphase में क्या होगा? In the anaphase, we can say that in the animal cell at the end of the anaphase, when the chromosomes are pulling or they are moving towards the opposite pole, at that time, at the time of, or we can say at the end of the anaphase, the cytokinesis begins. So we can write here that cytokinesis begins or starts here. Starts. Cytokinesis जो होता है वो start हो जाता है at the end of anaphase. But in the plant cell, we can say that cytokinesis will start in the telophase, at the end of the telophase. So at the end of telophase. It's not starts during the anaphase. यहाँ पे anaphase में नहीं होगा. It starts at the end of telophase. But in the animal cell, the cytokinesis starts at the end of anaphase. Next difference here, after that हमने कर लिया प्रोफेज का, कर लिया मेटाफेज सिमिलर था, एनाफेज का हमने डिफरेंसेस देख लिया, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट द टेलोफेज विल हैपन, देयर इज नो डिफरेंसेस, साइटोकिनेसिस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ telophase in the cytokinesis will begins in the plant cell also. So there is no difference in the telophase. Now the next difference, that major difference that occur in the plant cell and animal cell during mitosis is in the cytokinesis. So next difference जो है वो है cytokinesis related. Cytokinesis, that we are saying that cytokinesis starts at the end of the anaphase do in the animal cell. And in the case of animal cell, the cytokinesis starts, it happens due to the invagination of the membrane. This is the plasma membrane, and here the nucleus is present. This is the one nucleus, this is the another nucleus which is formed after the karyokinesis. Two nucleus form, and then what happened? This membrane will start forming in invagination. इस तरीके से invagination form होगी at both sides, and slowly this invagination will move towards the inner side, अंदर की तरफ move करेगी, and finally when it comes at the center they will join each other, and finally two cell will form. So here in the case of animal cell we can say that invagination will form by which we can say that cytokinesis happens. But in the case of plant cell, the invagination is not possible. Plant cell में invagination नहीं हो रहा. Cytokinesis done or happen, it happens due to cell plate. यहाँ पे cell plate method से होगा, because you know that the plant cell अगर हम यहाँ पे बनाते हैं, this is the plant cell. The plant cell has a cell wall. The outside, this is the plasma membrane, and outside this plasma membrane a hard cover is present and hard layer is present, resid layer है. This is the plasma cell wall. So due to the presence of cell wall, it's not possible that plasma membrane form invagination. तो यहाँ पे invagination formation नहीं होगा. These are the nucleus, two nucleus which are forming here. And here what happens in the plant cell during the cytokinesis? Here in the center of this cell, and we can say that at this equatorial plate, the deposition of some substances begins. यहाँ पे कुछ substances they will start forming here, and these substances यहाँ पे जो deposition होगा, this deposition will happen and they form a plate like structure, and this plate is known as cell plate. इस plate को हम क्या बोलते हैं? This plate is known as cell plate, and the plate is formed by the fragments of ER and Golgi apparatus. ER और Golgi apparatus के जो fragments हैं, they will start coming here and they will start depositing in the center of these two cells, in between these two nucleus, and they will form a plate-like structure. And this plate is known as cell plate. And these segments or these pieces of the ER or Golgi apparatus, they are known as phlegmoplasts, about which we already discussed in our previous chapter. That is the cell structure. So these are the phlegmoplasts, which are the pieces of the ER and Golgi apparatus. They start depositing here, then they form a plate-like structure, and slowly this plate will move from center to the periphery. और ये जो plate होगी, ये center से periphery की तरफ move करना start कर देगी. It will forming or it will move from center to the periphery, and by which the two cells they get separated. Now let's see how this happens. अगर हम इन phlegmoplasts को या ये जो fragments हमने बनाए हैं, we will make it here so that we in the enlarged view, हमने थोड़ा enlarged view में यहाँ पे बना रहे हैं so that we can understand the process. These are these pieces, and after the deposition of these pieces, the cell membrane will start forming at the both side. इस साइड एक सेल की cell membrane बनेगी, and at this side another cell membrane of another cell will be formed, and these pieces of these vesicle-like structure, they will start secreting the substances, and these substances will form the middle lamella. So we can say that middle lamella will form. Middle lamella का formation हो जाएगा, and you know that in how the cell wall form. When the cell wall will form, first of all that middle lamella will form. सबसे पहले middle lamella start होती है formation, and then at the both side of the middle lamella, the primary cell wall will be secreted. Primary cell wall secrete होगी, and then plasma membrane. So in this way we can say that complete cell membranes will be formed. Cell wall बन गया है, cell membrane बन गया, and this structure will finally breaks the cell this one cell into the two cells. यहाँ पे दो cells के अंदर divide कर देगा. In the case of animal cells, after cytokinesis, both of these two cells get separated. दोनों cell पूरी तरीके से separate हो जाती है. But in the case of plant cell, after cytokinesis also the cells remain in connection with each other. They get joined, they remain at one place. They are not moved here and there. Like in the case of animal cells, like some cells like blood cells, they need to be moved from one place to another place, so they get separated, but they remain connected. So this is the way by which we can say that cytokinesis happen. In the case of animal cell, cytokinesis happens by the invagination or by the cell furrow method. But in the case of plant cell, cell cytokinesis happens by the cell plate method. And here one important term is also used for this both type of these cytokinesis. In the case of animal cell, this type of cytokinesis is known as centripetal cytokinesis. This is centripetal cytokinesis, because what happens that cell membrane or this invagination is moving from periphery to the center. It's coming towards the center. Center की तरफ move कर रही है. That's why it is known as centripetal. But in the case of plant cell, the cytokinesis happens from the center to the periphery. So it's known as centrifugal. So the term which is used for the plant cell cytokinesis is centrifugal. So these are the some differences between animal cell and plant cells which happens during the process of mitosis. At this, if we talk about the structure of the cell, structure related to differences, that is the presence of centrosome. In the case of animal cell, centrosomes are found, but in the case of plant cell, there is no centrioles, no centrosomes formed. That's why there's no ester formation take place. सेंट्रियोल्स हैं तो यहाँ पे एस्टर्स बनेंगे, यहाँ पे सेंट्रियोल प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो एस्टर्स फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता. एंड हियर टू एस्टर्स आर फॉर्म, दैट इज नोन एज एम्फीएस्ट्रल कंडीशन. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स फॉर्म्स इन बोथ एनिमल सेल एज वेल एज इन प्लांट सेल. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स दोनों में ही बनेंगे. हियर द स्पिंडल apparatus और स्पिंडल फाइबर्स इट सीम्स लाइक कमिंग फ्रॉम द एस्टर्स. एस्टर्स से सेंट्रियोल से फॉर्म होता हुआ नजर आता है, वहां से फॉर्म होता है. बट इन द केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल्स दे फॉर्म विदाउट द एस्टर, विदाउट द सेंट्रियोल्स. कोई सेंट्रियोल्स यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट नहीं है, बट spindles are forming here. Next difference in the cytokinesis process are the anaphase. At anaphase, cytokinesis begins at the end of the anaphase, but in the case of plant cells, cytokinesis begins at the end of telophase. And the major difference between both of these two cells in the mitosis is related with their cytokinesis. In the animal cell, cytokinesis happens by the cell furrow or cell invagination method, and it's a centripetal process. But in the case of plant cell, cytokinesis happens by the cell plate method, and this plate method will form from center and then moves towards the periphery. That's why it is known as centrifugal cytokinesis. इस तरीके की cytokinesis को बोलेंगे centrifugal cytokinesis. So with this we completed the differences of animal cell and plant cell in their mitosis process.